Let's talk about what it means to be artisanal. It's more than just a word. It's a promise that your pizza cannot come from anywhere else but your shop. It's your job to wow patrons with quality and communicate what makes you different. Things like made in-house dough with flour that is not bleached or bromated, seasonal ingredients or homemade sauces. These are the details that matter. They are key to staying ahead of the big chains. Try this twist on a Sicilian pie. Not only does this show your creativity, but it also appeals to those consumers craving for spicy options. Great pizza is an art. That's why it's imperative to play to your strengths and show customers what makes you unique. Get the Sicilian recipe and find more trends at grandecheese.com. Arrivederci.